All right, everybody, welcome back to Aman's Unfiltered. So far, you've listened to a few episodes on the wedding edition, and this time we are going to talk to the people who create the bride and groom's dream outfit or not so dream outfit. We don't know. We're going to find out today. I have three lovely ladies with me, and I'm going to pass the mic to each one of them and let them introduce themselves. So let's start with you, Pan.
Hi, I'm Archana Kogar and I'm the core owner of Shagun Designer Store. This year we celebrate our 25th anniversary in
Ooh,
the industry.
silver.
Yes, thank you so
Congrats.
much. Looking
Okay.
forward to many more and thank you for the support from everyone. That's why we're here today, 25
Yes.
years.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sumeda?
Hi, so I'm Sumedha Sehgal from Sumedha Sehgal Design. I've joined Shagun and the team for almost 10 years now. So, yeah, it's been 10
It's
years.
been that long?
Yeah, I was actually just calculating today. I'm like, oh my God, how long has it been? So, it's been 10 years.
You were doing your homework for
Yeah,
this.
I really was.
Pretty much.
Trying to prepare myself. But yeah, so 10 years, I finished design school at London College of Fashion.
Amazing.
And I was like, okay, I've always enjoyed seeing mom and Masi work and in the
Yeah.
industry. And I knew I always wanted to get involved in the business. So once I graduated, I started my own label. And then now I'm also helping as part of the Shogun team, consulting brides and the families and the grooms and everyone who
Okay.
comes by.
So at least you have a legacy to pass down and it'll be alive.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
God. And now we
Amazing.
can take a holiday having her around.
Hey,
And
even
sip
I
your
want to go
pina
on a holiday.
coladas.
I always say.
Okay, Poonam.
Hi, I'm Poonam Manchanda. I'm the co-founder of Ada Bangkok, and it's been 6 years now to Ada. And we also started our journey, my partner Vandana and I, we started our journey with doing exhibitions and hosting designers. And I was very far from fashion. Nobody in my family had anything to do with fashion, and it all started very gradually for me after my wedding. And I guess people liked what I wore. They started asking me, and I guess it just took on from there. Then, from something I wasn't interested in, became not just a passion, but
Yeah.
also my work.
Yeah.
And today I enjoy it. I love talking to people, I love giving them tips. And yeah, and thank you to all the support from our community in Bangkok. You know, it's a very small knit community, and so it makes it even more fun.
So, Poonam, what's the
Yes.
first thing you ask a couple when they walk in to design their wedding attire?
So the first thing I always ask them, when are they getting married?
Yeah.
Because we go by the seasons in India.
Yeah.
So first question is when, how much time do we have? So then the first thing that runs in your head, okay, who are the designers who we can work with?
Yeah.
Who will give us in such a, in the short span of time? Do we have
Yeah.
time? Then we gradually get into them, what kind of wedding they're doing, where are they doing it, what do they have in mind? I try to get to know the clients first,
Yeah.
you know, because some clients want to go all out. Some are like, oh, we're only going to wear it one time. So
Yeah,
you have to
'cause-
understand this whole background with the client first.
And I'm sure budget he plays like a huge
No,
role
that is
also.
definitely
Yeah.
comes in the picture, but a
Yeah.
bit later. I mean, you don't want to be so upfront about the whole
Yeah.
money aspect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You wanna make your client comfortable. You wanna ask them first, what are
Yeah.
they looking for? Because today's trend, everybody comes in, at least 95%, I think, of the bride and groom have sort of done their research.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Very
have an
rare
idea.
you are going to find somebody
Yeah.
who's empty.
Pinterest ready.
No, because of Instagram. Nowadays,
That's what
everything
I'm
is
saying.
Everything
is
is
Pinterest
out
out
ready.
there.
there. But you
Everything is
also
out.
want to show the personality of the bride and groom.
Yeah, you want to
don't
get
wanna
to
get
know
it
them a
hidden.
little.
Yeah.
You want to get to know them a little bit so you can suggest them.
Yeah.
And I always ask if they have anything in mind. Have they
Yeah.
seen something?
Yeah. But sometimes when they come to our store and we do a consultation with them, they come in with like lists, like, okay, I want to be this. And then when we start talking to them, they're like, oh crap. Like,
Yeah.
you've
I wasn't
confused
ready
me.
for
Like,
that.
We have
now
actually
we
changed.
changed.
We've
you know,
changed
like-
somebody's mindset
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
going just cliche, like going just cliche. It was like,
Yeah.
you know what? There's another way down. Why
Yeah.
don't you look at this? I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, I've never even realized that this could be one of the
Yeah.
options.
Yeah.
And that's where we start coming in.
But that
Interesting.
also happens like when you have to like get to know the client a bit
Yeah.
to see to what extent
Exactly.
what extent are they open to your suggestions,
Yeah.
Because some brides just come in and they're like, I want this, and there is no room for even
Yeah.
Like I've had that bride very recently.
Okay.
She went to India. She already tried the outfit. And I asked her, I was like, when you were there, why didn't you just pick it up? And she was like, oh, I didn't want to like hassle, going back and forth. I just thought I just wanted to try. So people go there just to feel the fabric.
Yes.
But the process that comes with it afterwards is what they
know
don't want
can trust
to.
all of us too.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
that's the process they don't want to go through.
Yeah. Because working with India is very difficult. You know
Oh,
how
I
it
am. I
is.
can
No,
imagine.
but
I can really
but
go
I
back and
must,
forth.
I can counter that,
Yeah.
but I think it's because of 25 years, I have seen the
Yeah.
growth in
Yeah.
India and the
Yeah.
work structure.
Yeah.
I must say it's gotten so much better. They've become so professional.
They actually
They've
have.
streamlined it a
become
lot.
Very,
Yeah.
very good. Yes, initially when we had started, it was
I can
difficult.
imagine, yeah.
How many phone
I was-
calls to follow
yeah.
up?
Yeah.
What I'm
Now-
trying to say is
Yeah.
that like for people who are not used to India
Yeah.
and the culture and the
Correct.
talking and the coordination, then it becomes very difficult
Like I
and
have my
overwhelming.
nephew, he's getting married next year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, Masi, I'm not going to India. I don't understand India.
Yeah.
You're going to do everything.
Everything.
I
Yeah.
said, yes, I will make sure I style you different every day. And that's where we come along. I think styling them and getting them the
Yeah.
right look
Yeah.
and their personality, you have to see how they are.
Yeah.
If they are, enough
Some of them are
fun
eccentrics,
enough
they
to
can
go
play
and
with colors.
Yeah, experiment with
Yeah.
colors, with styles, with
Yeah.
cuts. We take it on for
You know-
it's a good relationship.
When I did the episode with Neha and all for the planners, right? Neha said a very interesting thing. She's like, every time I, go into it with my clients, she's like, we're in a relationship. So it's like, consider me as your boyfriend or a girlfriend. It's like a
I
short
agree with
term,
her.
I think that is a
I
bit
agree with her.
Yeah. So she's like, we need to be as open as we can with each other. We cannot like keep away. So I think she defined that the whole thing like really on point.
It's a whole journey
It's-
you're
yeah.
having together. There's a lot of ups and downs, and there's always like a whole process of like from deciding the outfit
Yeah.
to like actually till the fitting day until you take the outfit and you leave the store.
But
Yeah.
even after leaving the store, if you've delivered it before time, then they will still come back.
Yeah.
Because brides tend to lose
Yeah, no,
weight,
that's what I meant.
and then they come back again.
No, but that's what I tell
That's what-
them.
yeah.
That's what we tell them. When are you wearing this?
Yeah.
Two
that's
weeks,
a very big
2 weeks before
oh,
your
please
wedding.
come.
I'm
do
getting the
try,
side eye
we
from-
will do your
Yeah.
whole fitting once again.
Yeah, we do. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
we do that all
that's
the
very
time.
important. Yeah,
I'm like getting the side eye from Poonam. She's like,
because every time
Yes,
somebody
hello.
buys,
hello.
no, because every time somebody buys, I always tell them that 2 weeks prior
Yes.
to it,
Yeah.
wear it. Even if we've delivered it a month in advance,
Correct.
we'll tell them that 2 weeks before, please wear it because brides tend to lose weight for many reasons,
Oh,
obvious
always,
reasons.
yeah.
Yeah.
You've recently been,
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
how it feels like, and you do lose weight. So we always tell them, try it on, don't keep it like this, hang it like this, keep it properly. So all of those things are also still there. And then
Yeah.
once the wedding is over, we are like, please can we post your
But you
photo?
know, what the funny point is that okay, there's bridal clothes, okay, you try.
Yeah.
But they worry in Daj clothes, so we tell them please do not touch. Because as experience,
Yes.
everybody's
Yeah, always.
having a beautiful time.
I mean,
Yeah.
I
And then-
experienced it
and then-
myself 3 years
yes,
ago.
exactly,
And
but
I'm
to go
still
back-
adjusting my outfits.
Adjusting
Yeah.
up. Oh, but yeah, it's gone. I'm tight. I can't fit into it anymore. So we tell them, worry when you have a function. Come,
Then you
then
come.
we
Then you
try
come.
again.
Yeah, then
And
you
then we
come.
are always here to help.
Yeah.
That's smart.
I mean, obviously, if it's bought from us,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah.
be happy to help it
Yeah.
because there's no point altering 21 outfits at the same time
No.
because you don't
But
even know when you're going to wear it.
21, I don't think we
People
suggest
do
brides
it
to do
and-
21
No,
No, I mean,
Yeah.
like you said, Daj and
Anymore.
Bari, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
but
together.
worry now also, I have come to a point that we suggest our brides, even
Yeah.
it's Sardar, Hindus, whoever, please, nowadays there's nothing about taking 21, 11, 31. Those was my generation.
Yeah,
You're
mine
always
also.
gonna want something
Something
new.
new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We said, you know what, take enough for the wedding that is coming, that you know that you're going to wear. And
Yeah.
eventually buy gradually because you
Buy
will be
as you
tempted
go.
Yes.
when you see new stuff
Tie.
out. And that's really worked, and I think they're really happy with that.
Have you ever had to deal with last minute panic changes?
Mm,
No changes, but fittings.
Fittings,
Yeah, like
yes.
weight loss
Yeah.
and weight
yeah, yeah.
gain and
Fit-
all.
yeah.
Nothing has changed because they've already made up their mind, and we
Yeah.
along the line keep them posted with how things are going.
yeah.
So things don't change drastically otherwise.
So nobody has ever come like, oh, the outfit was not according to what I wanted and
Touch
stuff.
wood, no.
Can we change
We've not
it?
ever had anything as such.
just mainly
How
fitting
boring.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Like, oh, they're not
Last
happy with
minute
the
deliveries have
neckline. They're
happened.
still feeling it a bit too high, you know, even
Okay,
though
so very
they, yeah,
minimal
very minimal
changes.
things. Like,
Okay.
yeah, I don't want a pom pom. I don't want the tassel.
Can
Like,
we remove the
yeah,
can? It
can,
feels a
yeah.
lot.
Okay.
But there really hasn't been anything. Nobody changes after.
Correct.
I'm telling you,
After they
after
made
you
up their
pay the
mind.
amount of money you pay,
Yeah.
it's done.
I mean,
And
we also make sure we tell them that, you know, are you sure this is
yeah.
your outfit?
So I
you
always,
know,
especially
so-
with brides, when it's a bridal outfit, I always tell them that, okay, you know what, we're going ahead with it.
Yeah.
If you'd like to make any last minute changes, you can
Yeah.
let us know. I have had like a bride maybe increase the length of her sleeves or something like that. And if it's still in production, well, good. And if you can't, then
Yes.
there's nothing we can do about it, right?
Yes.
Because if the production has started, then even
Then you
they
have to
won't
stick
do
to
it.
it.
Then it's
Yeah.
done. But there has never been any crazy
And
demand or
Yeah.
been
And
a
I
last
think people
minute
understand
request.
it well too. That just
Yeah.
you like from a V neck, it just cannot come a round neck because
Yeah.
because the embroidery is already done, the khaka is done that
Yeah.
way. How do
Yeah.
you change a V to a round? I mean, everybody knows.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like
it's,
now, I think it's easier to talk to people because they're more educated.
oh,
They're more
yes.
like,
Thanks to Instagram.
Instagram,
Correct.
I think this whole
Pinterest.
social media
Yeah.
and
It's
WhatsApp
social
has
media has
changed the entire
changed.
game. Like even in
Yeah.
COVID, I think you would agree. We were still, I think we did better business in COVID.
Really?
Yeah.
We did well
We
because
did-
people
I mean-
could travel. See, that's
Yeah.
it. So it was always better because
That
they
also
could
helped us
Okay.
pivot our whole work, our
Yeah.
whole
Correct.
everything.
The whole
That's
outlook
amazing.
changed in
Yeah.
COVID
Correct.
because where we were dealing with, different, and people couldn't go. So we also learned a lot.
Yes.
WhatsApp became the main tool. And you just
Zoom,
realized
yeah.
something that you literally don't need to go to India.
Exactly. Yeah,
I
I
can
agree.
say that with
Yes,
I agree.
experience,
correct.
with everything that we have dealt in COVID. And I can tell you today that no bride, no groom actually needs to go to
Yeah.
India. You can come in to any of our stores, let us know whatever you want, even the
Yeah.
designers that we don't stock or we've never even worked with,
Yeah.
we will get it for you.
Like I was, you
I'm
could
telling
say,
you, like-
a
like-
COVID bride. So
Yeah.
I've also experienced it. So I mean, okay, luckily we have that connection and we can talk to them,
Yeah.
directly and stuff. So I did majority everything from here. That I was like, hey, I want this, whatever. But I was like, okay, things were open. I could still go. I went to India, but I went for the chuk chik things.
Yeah, yeah,
Like I
yeah,
went
those
for the
so
chuk
much.
chik. Okay, I went
That
for my
tuk chik kills
jewelry.
me.
I went for other things, but
Even
I
jewelry.
visited those stores.
Even
I think you
jewelry,
got to
I'm
eat.
saying.
I think India is all about going to eat. We miss
We
all
ate
that.
so
We
much
only went to
at my
eat.
wedding
I
shopping.
literally ate so much that the manager at St. Regis Bombay looked at me, ma'am, are you okay? I'm like, no, I'm having a food coma. Literally, I froze with the breakfast because I wanted to eat everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
And I froze.
But I can tell you today that even with jewelry and all, you don't need to go. Why do you need to go to
don't.
that hassle? Customs becomes strict. You can't bring in stuff. You can't
Yeah.
take in things. Why are you even going through that? I am telling you, in COVID, I had a bride who had never met. And she lives very much in Bangkok.
Okay. And you've
I-
not met her till today.
No, I've met her now. I did
Okay.
not meet her when we started her wedding shopping.
Oh.
She just came in through a recommendation, and everything happened on WhatsApp. And I had never even met her mom till 3 years after the wedding was done.
Wow, how did
And
that?
everything. This has been my experience, and I'm telling you today, like, khunluk le. I'm telling you, I never met the bride. She came in one time for just one fitting at one of her main functions, and she came in, it was done, and she was out of my store in 10 minutes, and she was like, I was expecting that things would go wrong. And this is a bride I didn't even measure. I didn't measure her. She sent me the measurements from home. And if I felt something was odd or the length didn't match or the thing something was odd, I would just tell her that, hey babe, do this for me. And the measurements were in. And I'm telling you, I did met the bride one time and she was very much in Bangkok and we didn't have the world had COVID. We didn't have that much COVID. And I'm telling you, I didn't meet her. We did the entire trousseau and we did her mom's clothes and we did her clothes. And I met the auntie much later. Until today, her
That's
mom has not
crazy.
stepped foot in my store. And I'm telling you, I just have to send her photographs. 3. She's like, Poonam, don't bombard me with too many. People call and they're like, okay, we had this occasion. What do you suggest? I want something like this. Do you have options? Do you have this? And that's
That's
it. It's
it.
done. That's why I tell you, what COVID made us realize is that you don't need to go to India.
agree,
But I understand when families come in, they come in, like you said, the buas come in,
Correct, yeah.
this happens in a particular community of ours where like 5, 6 members of the family come in and then they're like,
I think they all want to enjoy the moment. So
because
that's why
they
all
don't
come.
they don't go to India for work.
Yeah.
They just go for fun. But
Correct.
ultimately, they end up having so much fun that they actually forget about the clothes, and then they come back to Thailand. They're like, "Oh, we went, but we didn't actually end up
Yeah.
End up buying
Yeah.
anything.
You know, because a lot of people get overwhelmed.
Yeah.
They don't know where to start, and because time is
Yes.
so limited, they might go to one market today and they might make it to the other one, and by the time they think about it,
Plus, you're
they don't-
rushing yourself. You're like, oh, I'm there. I have to buy. But
Yeah,
that's not
but
the
that's
case.
not the
That's why I
case.
tell
You
my
don't
clients
need
don't.
that.
And I have people who've brought double because of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Like
Oh,
I
I don't
brought
like my
something, but now I
outfit.
don't like it
yeah,
anymore.
I came back, I didn't like
I
it.
didn't like it anymore.
What
I
do you
need another
suggest?
outfit for such and so function.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we also tell them now go look. It's not about you can't buy. If you love it, please go ahead and buy it. We don't stop you. But if you don't love it, don't push yourself.
Just because
It's-
you've gone there,
correct.
don't
Yeah.
push it.
Yeah.
Go enjoy, drink, eat.
Yeah. I
Like,
don't know if I'm
yeah.
right, but like, I hope. People now, I think they realize like, we are bringing everything to your doorstep.
Yeah.
Like, you don't need to spend 30,000 baht on flights and going
Yeah.
anywhere. Because, like, I tell a lot of my family members, like, because recently we had a wedding in the family. They all went to India. They came back all empty handed. Some of them got from you, some of them even got from you. And I'm like, see, you didn't have to go there. And they were so disappointed. So,
Can
yeah.
I tell you when I do a calculation for them to be very like
Same
okay,
here.
Yeah.
you're going, your ticket, either it's a business class, economy class, okay, whatsoever.
Whatever.
Let's base it
Yeah.
20,000.
Yeah.
You stay in a good hotel. You need to eat.
Yeah.
You need a car.
You need
Yeah.
a driver.
You need a driver. You need to move around.
Yep.
Yeah.
Then you want to go out for night for dinner. Then you spend.
Yeah.
Calculate the expenditure that you have done. Okay, if you have excess, you want to go on, that's fine. But it's also a sum of money that you could also use it for literally 2 outfits.
Yeah.
2, 3, yeah. I'm just putting
Exactly.
a point
Yeah.
if you want to think about utilizing your money well.
But I also feel this happens
100%.
with families who have a budget that they want to live up to, but they also want to go to India. They feel that there are not enough options here, but they need to come in to consult one time to see what we can offer them, how much we can save them.
Yeah.
But a lot of people have this misconception that we are big multi-designer stores and we only deal with very big designers. And I can say that for myself that that's not true. We have designers of all ranges.
Yes, we do.
We can work from Chandni Chowk to all the way to, your big designers like Manish and Sabya.
Yeah.
And a lot of people come to us, so we're looking for something like Sabya, but we don't want to pay like Sabya. Yeah. So then we also work with in-house boutique designers who are willing to make something similar. I would never copy, but I would say something similar. You can get inspired by the look,
Yeah,
but your
absolutely.
fabric is never going to be the same. The
But
embroidery is
that's
never going to
but
be
that's
the same.
something a very like we take under like we as
Yeah.
us, so we take that very serious and we
Yeah.
don't like to do like something that what if I have to make a copy of a Sabya or a copy of this,
Sorry,
I tell
no.
them
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
I don't move that way at all because I better be real and be straight to what I do than just want to get the business.
Fair enough.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah.
We'll show them
Yeah, the word is show,
designers
yeah.
that fit into that
Correct.
category
Correct,
of that
yeah.
particular design
Correct.
and in the budget that
Yeah.
they're looking
There's
for.
But there's
so
also a
much.
drawback because what happens is when you take on jobs like this, suppose you take on a job like this where you try to do something similar to what Sabya or Manish is, problem is it never comes out the same and you
will
end up
never,
disappointing
it
the
will
client.
never.
I always tell them it's never going to be the same. You're
Correct.
never going to be happy. Rather look for something
Yes.
similar. Rather look for something similar.
There's so many
and
good
so many of the brides I've seen it. They've come to the store and they have actually ended up wearing what they had shown me, but made it on their own.
Okay.
And,
Right.
And
It doesn't
it just didn't even.
Yeah.
Like I look at the photograph and I'm like, it's not even anywhere
near.
near it.
Yeah.
See, but then that comes to the point we respect what
What
it's
they
their
want to
choice
wear,
at the end
yeah.
of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yes, as a person, because we're so experienced that if we look from far,
Yeah.
we'll know it.
We'll know.
Yeah.
We'll know it.
We
like,
can tell what is stitched,
Yeah, I mean, you
what is
guys have
bought.
the eye
yes,
for it
Yes.
and all.
we'll know
yeah,
from the
yeah,
cut, from the
absolutely.
embroidery that
Yeah.
how real it is.
Yes.
But at the end of it, it's their choice.
Yeah.